It is predicted that in the near future, the world will create 163 zettabytes of data. 1 zettabyte is 1 billion terabytes. This means 163 zettabytes is 163 billion terabytes. The modern society is a world in which an extremely large amount of data is created and stored every day. This enormous amount of data is generated from various business fields. The IT departments of enterprises will need to store and manage 7.5 zettabytes of data. Newly generated data are frequently accessed or overwritten in the beginning. However, access frequency decreases over time. This is the so-called cold data. Other than regulatory compliance purposes to store these cold data, the enterprises are increasingly storing the cold data to utilize them in the future. Autonomous cars, robotics, face recognition technology. The data are analyzed with artificial intelligence, creating new values to the data. One can say that the world's most valuable resource is data. But then it creates a new challenge. How do we store such large amounts of data? Among the various storage systems existing, the sought-after storage systems are those capable of storing data reliably and for a long period of time. Security, longevity, and the running cost of adapting to exponentially increasing amounts of data are the biggest challenges we are facing. Recently, a certain type of data storage is drawing attention: magnetic tapes. Aside from reading and writing data, magnetic tapes do not require electricity or internet connections to store data. They can protect sensitive information from being damaged by power outages, system crashes, and cyber attacks. They do not need to be constantly running, which greatly reduces energy consumption. Increasing data capacity simply requires additional tape cartridges. The more tape storage is installed, the lower the unit cost of the entire device, leading to even more cost reduction. The running cost of magnetic tapes are about 1/3 of that of a hard disk drive. Moreover, it is expected that these tapes will be able to hold several hundreds of terabytes. All of this data fits in a palm-sized cartridge. Not only does it save running cost, it also saves space. But aren't tapes unstable? This is a common misconception. In fact, magnetic tapes have far lower hardware bit error rates compared to hard disk drive storage devices. The bit error rate of magnetic tapes is between 1 to 1,000 to 1 to 10,000 of hard disk drives. Also, they last for approximately 50 years, meaning they can store valuable data for half a century. Magnetic tapes' reliability continues to evolve very fast. Modern societies are increasingly dependent on data technologies. Those data that have never been reused, just some numbers or records, can now turn into a valuable asset. Save everything, store everything will be the new norm in the world of data management. No other storage system can provide the cost efficiency, safety, and longevity of massive data storage than magnetic tapes.